afternoon, everyone. This is the story time. This is the story of a boy who studied in class 6th. The name of that boy was Rahul, and he was so laborious and intelligent that everyone used to love him. One day, when he was just sitting totally alone, so that time he was thinking that I am too good in everything, like in studies, in sports, everything. Whenever he just completed his homework and classwork, so after that, as he returned home, he used to play football every day. He was too good at playing football. So one day, when suddenly he thought that I am too good, there is no need to be focused too much on every task. So he used to play football every single day, and in this way he was getting better and better day by day, and he was learning the tricks of playing football in drips and drabs. And after some time, when it was the time it started final exams, so he thought that as he is good in studies, so there is no matter of worry. So but well, as he got the result, he found that he had secured less marks in maths, while his friend Rohit had secured a great marks in the same subject. He had been excellent in that particular subject, maths. So he after coming back to home, he was much worried, and he was sitting on his couch totally alone and depressed. So seeing Rahul in this condition, his father just asked him that, Rahul, why are you upset? So Rahul just told everything, that I am good at I'm good at playing football and doing every task, but yet I have not secured good marks in maths subject. While my friend Rohit has secured good marks, he has passed the exam with flying colors. So what to do? So Rahul's father made him understand that whatever you have done from your side, you have given your 100%, but you need to think that what are the areas where you haven't worked. As you have practiced football every single day, as you just returned home, after that you used to play football every single day, so you were somewhere practicing, you were giving practicing to your football, so that's why you performed very well in every match of football. But when it comes to maths, so you didn't practice too much. And when it comes to Rohit practiced every single day, so that's why he had secured good marks in maths. And it's all depends on consistency and your practice. As you have practiced this particular game as football your best game, so in the same way you should practice maths daily, so you would be able to find a result, because consistency never goes in vain. When we are practicing something with heart and soul, so we are going to get result as well. So what happens next time when he just practiced maths with heart and soul, so he secured good marks, and his maths was also giving satisfaction to him and his father and his teachers also. So in this way we can say that if we are practicing something on daily basis, and we are pure to our dedication, so there is nothing impossible. We can do everything, just needs consistency and your practice. Okay, then bye bye, have a nice day.